We'll guide you through how to drop a pin in Google Maps. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Google Maps, and for whatever reason you want to place and drop a pin, I'm going to guide you through this step by step and how you can go about this. It's really convenient being able to go and drop and place a pin, because perhaps you want to go and get directions to a certain place, or you want to go and save it as somebody's told you about it and you may want to visit there in the future. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this step by step. So to go and get started, you want to come into Google Maps and you can start moving around by just dragging your finger like so. Now, what you can do, you can go and zoom out by pinching in like so. As you can see, bring your fingers together while touching the screen, and you can then go and decide where you want to go and do this. Now, to be more precise, you should go and zoom in, because then you can go and place the pin directly where you want it, because it may be a precise thing you're trying to go and get to or go and drop the pin on. So what you can do is go and zoom in like so by placing your fingers on the screen and pinching out. And you can go all the way in. You don't have to do this, but as I said, it just makes it way more precise, just so the pin's in the right place, especially if you're trying to get directions to it. So when you're ready, you can then go and tap. Now, if you just go and tap like so, you're going to go and find the pin does not drop. What you need to do is go and place and hold like this, and then it'll go and place the pin where you want it. So then what you can do is you'll go and get this pop-up. It'll give you some information about it. If you want to get directions, you can go and place that there, as you can see. You can go and press save to go and save it, add a label, share it, and press more, and there are more options there as well.